we are doing the easy section for DI, and this is the fifth caselet, right? So it's DI easy 5, correct? So like I've told you before, what you can do is आपके पास सारी sheets हैं, एक sheet उठाइए, उसको पूरा solve कर लीजिए, right? Spend as much time as possible. I mean that's not a problem. जितना भी time लगे, but उसको अच्छे से solve कर लो. उसके बाद go to the video. DI easy 5 let's say कर रहे हैं, तो solve कर लो, फिर DI easy 5 के video में जाके देखो हमने क्या किया. If let's say you're not able to solve it, so watch the video for some time, take some hints out of the video, then again pause the video and solve it, right? What I'll suggest is इसको पहले try कर लो अच्छे से समझ लो क्या दिया हुआ है, उसके बाद फिर वीडियो देखो, right? We will go ahead and solve it. हम solve करेंगे इसको आगे चल के. So again, like we've discussed before, मैंने पहले भी बोला है, the best representation of data is the tabular form, right? Tabular form में data जो है वो best represent होता है. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a table here. अब table में बहुत सारा data आने वाला है. देखो पहला table यहाँ से data आएगा, ratio of tablets to smartphones sold. So tablet और smartphone आएगा. Let's say we'll put the tablet as T, smartphone as SP. ठीक है? Now what do we have? The total number of smartphones sold was this. तो ये total smartphones का data है. इसके बाद क्या है हमारे पास यहाँ पे देखो, the graph below gives the number of Samsung smartphones sold as a percentage of total smartphones. तो हमारे पास Samsung smartphones हैं, which is SST, Samsung smartphones. So फिर non Samsung smartphones जो होंगे उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Non Samsung smartphones. Let's say we'll call it NSSP. It was, sorry, NSSP. और ये होगा क्या basically? जो total smartphones हैं, that would be equal to Samsung smartphones plus non-Samsung smartphones, right? NSSP क्या है? Non-Samsung smartphones. SSP क्या है? Samsung smartphones. Total smartphones will be SSP plus NSSP, right? In that year, and the number of Samsung tablets sold as a percentage of total number of tablets. So same way, let's say अब हम Samsung tablets को SP बोल देते हैं, so क्या होगा? Total tablets would be TT would be equal to what? Samsung tablets ST plus non-Samsung tablets, which is NST. So देखो, when we make the table here, see how much data are we going to incorporate? There's a lot of data that is going to be incorporated in here, right? Let's just go through it once. So we'll start with what? Let's say smartphones. Then we will have tablets. After that, what would we have is, we will have Samsung smartphones and non-Samsung smartphones. Same way we will have Samsung tablets and non-Samsung tablets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 columns we will have. And then there are years from 11 to 16. So we'll have year 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016. So this much is going to be there in the table, correct? So let's do it. Let's try and put the data. जैसा मैंने पहले ही बोला है, tabular form is the best representation of data because बहुत clearly you can see everything very, very clearly, right? So all you need to do is fill the data, and the moment you have filled the data, you'll get your answer. The total number of smartphones sold in all the 6 years put together was 84 lakhs. So ये जो pie chart है, इसीलिए हमने सबसे पहले ये लिया क्योंकि 84 lakhs का डेटा है ये. तो ये पाई चार्ट से हम टोटल सैमसंग स्मार्टफोन्स 6 साल में कितना बेचा गया हम निकाल सकते हैं. क्यों? क्योंकि टोटल डेटा 84 lakhs है. 84 lakhs में से 840,000 ये डेटा हमने रखा हुआ है थाउजेंड्स में, राइट? व्हाई थाउजेंड्स? बिकॉज अगर लाख में रखेंगे तो बहुत डेसिमल में वैल्यू आएगा ना, 12%, 13%, 17%, तो हमने थाउजेंड्स में रख दिया. तो 84 लाख टोटल था, उसमें से 10% बिका है इसमें. ये कितना हो गया देखो, बेसिकली हो गया 8.4 lakhs. बट 8.4 लाख को हमने थाउजेंड में रखना था, इसलिए हमने रख दिया 840,000, which is basically 8,40,000. Why are we keeping it in thousands? So decimal बहुत ज्यादा नहीं है, ठीक है? So this is 10%, so this is 8,40,000, 840,000. Same way 2012 में 14% था, इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आएगा 1176,000, which is 11,76,000. 2013 में 23% था, इसको कैलकुलेट करेंगे तो आएगा 1932 which is 19 lakh and 32,000. 2014 में 17% है, ये सब कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं. Just to save time, I have already calculated it. 20% of this will be 8 to the 16, 4 to the 8, 168. So 16 lakh 80,000. And lastly, 2013 is 16%. That would be 1344, which is 13 lakh 44,000. ये पूरा डेटा ये पाई चार्ट से मिल गया हमको, राइट? इस पाई चार्ट में 6 साल का पूरा ब्रेकअप दिया हुआ है. 2011 में टोटल डेटा दिया 84 lakhs, उसमें से 10% 2011 में बिका. Out of total 84 lakhs, 10% was sold in 2011, which is 8.4 lakhs or 840,000. 14% was sold in 2012, which was 11 lakh 76,000, and so on. Right now, see here, from this we can calculate this data. Why? Because the ratio of tablets and smartphones is given. For example, 2011. So this is what? Tablet upon smartphones. So this is 0.4 for 2011. एक बार देख लेते हैं इसको. 2011 में टैबलेट्स टू स्मार्टफोन का डेटा 0.4 है. 0.4 मतलब 40%. मतलब जितने भी स्मार्टफोन्स बिके हैं, जो टैबलेट्स हैं, वो उसका 40% है. और द अदर वे अराउंड, टैबलेट्स जो हैं वो स्मार्टफोन्स के 40% बिके हैं. तो अगर स्मार्टफोन्स बिके हैं 840,000, so tablets इसका 40% is 8 for the 32, 4 for the 16, which is 3,36,000. इसका 40% वही इस टेबल में दिया हुआ. रेशियो ऑफ टैबलेट्स एंड स्मार्टफोन सोल्ड 2011 में कितना है? 0.4 corresponds to 40%. So 2011 में टैबलेट्स जो है वो स्मार्टफोन से 40% बिका है. स्मार्टफोन कितना बिका था? 8,40,000. उसका 40% कितना होता है? 3,36,000. तो टैबलेट जो बिके हैं वो 3,36,000 यूनिट्स बिके हैं. Same way we can do for all the years. 2012 this data is 0.6. 7,05,600 units or 700.6,000 units. Because it is in thousands, that is why यहाँ पे 0.6 आ रहा है. Same way 2013 में देखो 35% है, right? The data is 35%. So 35% of 1932. How much is that now? 676.2, which is 35% of the smartphone sold, which was 1932. फिर 2014 में डेटा कितना है देखो. 2014 में it is around 55%. So 1428 का 55%, 785.4. Correct. 2015 it is 70%. 70% of 1680, that is 1176. Lastly 50%. 50% means simply इसका half. So 650 and 22, which is 670. Right? तो अब हमको इससे, when we compared the pie chart with this table, we have got the total smartphones sold and the total tablets sold. अभी तक हमको ये मिला है, total smartphones and total tablets. Now from the total tablets we'll find the Samsung tablets and non-Samsung tablets, and from the total smartphones we'll find the Samsung smartphones and non-Samsung smartphones. How will we get that? From this last table, right? For example, let's see here. Samsung smartphones are these ones, the black ones. Samsung tablets are the white ones, right? So for example, here if you see 2011, 20% are Samsung smartphones. So कैसे समझेंगे इस डेटा को? टोटल जो स्मार्टफोन्स थे 2011 में, which was 8,40,000, उसमें से 20% जो है वो सैमसंग स्मार्टफोन्स थे. मतलब 1,68,000 जो थे वो सैमसंग स्मार्टफोन्स थे, राइट? सो 840 थे टोटल स्मार्टफोन्स, उसमें से 1,68,000 थे सैमसंग स्मार्टफोन्स. सो नॉन सैमसंग स्मार्टफोन्स कितने बचे? 6,72,000, राइट? कमिंग फ्रॉम हियर टोटल 840, 168 जो था वो सैमसंग का था, तो नॉन सैमसंग कितना बचा? 672. इसी तरह से हम सारा डेटा भरेंगे. Coming to 2012, the Samsung smartphones was 75% of the total smartphones. So 1176 जो total smartphones थे, उसमें से 75% were Samsung smartphones. How much would be that? 882. What is left? 1176 minus 882, which is 294. Third year it is 25%. So 1932 25% is Samsung smartphones, which is 483. Whatever is left is non-Samsung, which is 1449. What I'll suggest is pause the video right here and fill this entire data. Now you have a fair idea as how do you want to fill it. Fill this entire data. कुछ भी डाउट है तो रिवाइंड करो और फिर से पूरा देख लो एक बार वीडियो, लेकिन इसके बाद पॉज करके पूरा डेटा अपने से भरो. Fill it on your own once. Don't copy from here, right? And then when I have filled it, you can cross check that have you filled it correctly or not. I'll go ahead and fill the entire table directly now. But what I want you to do is that fill it on your own and cross check that you have filled all the values. If any of the value is not correct, then you can cross check that value again, right? So let's fill this data. After 483, you will have 571.2 here and 856.8 here. After 571, you will have 840. This is basically 50-50. So 840 and 840. फिर यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 806.4 और यहाँ पे आ जाएगा 537.6. फिर Samsung smartphones again coming 10% of the total. 336 का 10%. 33.6. बाकी क्या हो गया? नॉन सैमसंग हो गया, which would be 302.4. सेम वे ये हो गया 105.84. ये हो गया 599.76. फिर 202.86. ये हो गया 473.34. Then this is 157.08. This is 628.32. Then this is 294. This is 882. Lastly, 235.2. And this one is 436.8. So this is the entire data. Please cross check once before we solve the questions. Please cross check this entire data once, right? So that there's no error in any of the values. If you find any value not matching, cross check. There would be a calculation mistake. We'll go ahead and solve the questions now. So sorry, my bad. So let's go and look at the questions now. So these are the questions. First question. How many Macromax smartphones were sold in 2014, given that 10% of the non-Samsung smartphones in 2014 were Micromax? Second question समझो, क्या बोल रहा है कि जो non-Samsung smartphones बिके थे 2014 में, उसका 10% जो था वो Micromax का था, तो वो कितना था? So 2014 के non-Samsung smartphones में जाते हैं. Non-Samsung smartphones 2014 was this data. 8,56,800. इसका 10% जो था वो Micromax था, तो वो कितना हो जाएगा? 85,680. Correct? Okay. Which of the following statements is true? हमको चेक करना है इसमें से कौन सा true है. Okay, there's a tip here. Whenever you have to cross check all the statements in a question, always start from the last. जब भी कोई क्वेश्चन ऐसा होगा जिसमें सारे स्टेटमेंट्स या सारे ऑप्शंस चेक करने हैं, हमेशा लास्ट से चेक करो, हमेशा टाइम बचेगा. बहुत रेयर चांसेस है कि ए या बी ऑप्शन आंसर होगा. आंसर वुड बी सी और डी. So it's always good that you check from the last. So let's start with D. Samsung sold the highest number of smartphones in 2016. So अब Samsung smartphones की सीधी बात हो रही है. Samsung smartphones बोल रहे हैं 2016 में हाईएस्ट सेल हुआ. 2016 में कितना सेल हुआ है? 806.4. बट हम देखेंगे 2015 में it is more, right? In 2004 it is 840. 2016 it is 806. So this statement is false because it has not sold the highest number of smartphones in 2016. C statement. The number of non-Samsung smartphones sold in 2014. Non-Samsung smartphones sold in 2014 was 840. Was more than the number of non-Samsung smartphones sold in 2012. In 2012 we sold 2014. So this is true. So my answer is option C. I can leave it here right away, but just for the accuracy sake, I'll check the other two also. The highest number of non-Samsung tablets was sold in 2014. Non-Samsung tablets 2014 में कितना बिका है? 628.32. ये बोल रहा है ये हाईएस्ट है, बट हमको दिख रहा है सामने 2015 में उससे ज्यादा है, तो ये भी फॉल्स हो गया. Lastly, the number of Samsung tablets sold in 2014, Samsung tablets in 2015, which is 294, was less than the sum of the Samsung tablets sold in 12 and 14. So 12 और 14 का sum, 12 और 14 का sum करेंगे तो around 260 something आएगा. So ये 260 something है जबकि ये 294 है, तो ये more है ना, और ये बोल रहा है ये less है, तो ये भी गलत है. So what is my answer? My answer is option C. Last question. Okay, two questions there. Sorry. How many non-Samsung tablets were sold in 2013? 2013 non-Samsung tablets. Non-Samsung tablets. 2013 473.34, which is option A. 473340. Last question. How many in the given years did Samsung sell more than 2 lakh tablets? So I have to look at Samsung tablets more than 2 lakh tablets. So this is not it. This is not it. This is 1 year where they sold it. Not this. This is also 1 year where they sold it, and this is also 1 year where they sold it. So if you see 2013, 2015, 2016, 3 साल हैं जहां पे उन्होंने 2 लाख से ज्यादा टैबलेट they have sold. All right. So this was an easy case, a little calculated, but it was easy, right? Again, like I've told you, rewind it, watch it again and again if you want, but it has to be very, very clear, right? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, right? Thank you.